Alright, how to adjust the hop-up on the SSP5. Quick version for the experienced players, it's this screw right here. You put an Allen key there and you turn and you are adjusting the hop-up. Now let's do the longer version for the less experienced players out there. And let's start with what is hop-up. Hop-up is a system on the inside, usually a rubber bucking, that gives the BB backspin when it's being fired out of the barrel. What does it do? It extends the accuracy and range, or it improves the accuracy and range of the pistol because the BB flies on a seemingly weird trajectory. It shoots and it flies like this, then it actually lifts up and it drops much further than just like dropping right from the get-go. This is achieved with the backspin. It's called Magnus effect. You can Google it if you are interested in that. For the purpose of this video, you only need to know that the BB just flies further and it is more accurate as well. Now, how do we do that? There is a set screw right here on the top and you want to adjust it by turning it with this Allen key. You turn right like this to increase the hop-up and you turn to the other side to decrease the hop-up. What does it mean? When I'm increasing the hop-up effect, the BB will fly much more up, and if I'm decreasing it, it will just start dropping like you would expect normally. Now, we don't want the BB to just shoot up to the sky and then just drop somewhere over there, because that doesn't help us to aim and hit the enemies. We want something in the middle. Now, we will show you some examples of poor trajectory, another poor trajectory, and then the perfect trajectory that we are usually aiming for. Of course, you can adjust according to your preference. If you want more range, the BB will fly more up and then drop. Or if you want it exactly on the sides, let's say, then it will drop a little bit sooner, but it will not fly over the sides and then back down. Now let's start with the case that the BB is just dropping really soon, meaning that there is too little hop-up. It looks something like this. If you see something like this, that means you have to increase the hop-up effect. That means you will take the Allen key, put it in the set screw, and you will turn clockwise, just like you would tighten a screw, and then you will probably see something like this. This is actually the perfect trajectory that we want to achieve with the pistol. The BB is not dropping too soon, but it's also not flying too high, just like you see in this clip. If you see something like this and it's really shooting to the sky, you don't want that, it's hard to aim, so just take the Allen key and turn counterclockwise, meaning untightening the screw, just like this. And then you will be back at the perfect trajectory. Now, this obviously depends on the temperature because it is a gas-powered system, so the pressure differs with temperature. It also depends on the BB weight. If you are using heavier BBs, you will need to increase the hop-up. Then, if you are playing in CQB, maybe you want to save some money, use some cheaper, lightweight BBs, and then you will have to decrease the hop-up to accommodate for the change in weight of the BBs. Also, one cool feature with this holster is that this Allen key, you actually don't have to keep it in the pocket. You have a dedicated slot for it, integrated in the holster that was specifically made for the SSP5 adapter and also other adapters if you are using a different system already. So you can keep this one that comes with the pistol somewhere in a gear bag as a spare part just in case, and the holster already comes with one that is always ready to go when you need to adjust the hop-up on your SSP5. So there you have it. Just a pro little tip. Alright, I hope this video helped you. Now you know how the hop-up works and how exactly it looks like when you are actually shooting it. So pick your preferred trajectory, adjust it to the BB weight and the gas and temperature and so on, and then you will be hitting your enemies in no time.